Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Jira beginners training, I'm going to discuss how you are going to search or find out issues, projects, boards, etc. within Jira. And as a user of Jira, most probably you will be using all of these features that I'm discussing mostly daily, day in, day out. Okay, so searching for the issues. Now, say for example, you are part of the team and there are 5, 7, 8 different team members. Everyone is assigned certain issues. New issues are being created. Everyone is working on those issues, and there is a big list of issues that is there in the project, and multiple projects, right? So it's not just one project, there could be multiple projects as well, and you want to go ahead and find out the issues, filter the issues. There are multiple dashboards. You want to figure out or find out the dashboards, different projects, how you are going to do all of that, right? So the first and foremost search, very basic search, if you see at the top, is the very quick search. This is quick search. So if you click on this search icon here, straight away it will list search Jira. All right, or on your keyboard, if you simply if I just hover over, you will see that I have this / available here. So on my keyboard, if I just press /, it will do the same thing. It will open the same screen, which is search screen, and this is a quick search screen within Jira, which is really helpful in finding whether it's the issues or the boards. If you go below here, you will see that I can go to all boards, all projects, all filter, all people, right? So straight away I can click on the project and it will get me to all the projects that are there in this particular instance of Jira, right? So this is the quick search and how it is helpful. Now here you will see below in the list, recently viewed, what all issues are there, last updated, whether it's today, yesterday. But if I want to get more detail, right? If I want to get more detail or figure out the issues in a specific issue, then this search is not as helpful as the other search that I'm going to discuss, right? I'll say past 30 days, whatever was updated, you will see that the issues and things, everything else that will be listed here. Okay, so this is basically how we are going to search issue. Here I can also go ahead and type in the number, right? Or I can type in the text. Say for example, I'll say I want to search something which has the word sample. All right, so you'll see that sample story got listed. So if I know certain keyword in a particular issue, I can straight away use quick search as well. If I say I type in user, okay, so there is nothing matching there, I say clone, you'll see any issues that are there which have the word clone is listed there. If I say RCV, okay, you'll see the board, whichever board or project, or even if there were issues containing RCV, they would have been listed here. So this is quick search. Now the next search that you can use in your project, and that's really helpful, is the basic search. So in order to go to the basic search in your project, so if you go to the filters here, right, you can go ahead and view all filters, but in order to go to basic search, you simply have to search for the issues. Now your quick search will help you to search the issues, boards, projects, filters, people, etc., right? But if we talk about the basic search, it will search the issues within Jira, right? So you'll see that within the filter, I can see that if I go and open view all issues, it will open this particular window here, and in the issues you will see that there are certain default filters available. Now these default filters are nothing but pre-configured filters, which I'll cover in a moment, right? Now in the basic search, you will see that you will get a certain number of drop downs that you can configure. You have this more icon here. I can go ahead and configure more options for the basic search, but the crux of it is that you can select the project or whatever attributes that you're looking for in a particular issue, or whatever attributes you are looking for to search for the issues. For example, I am looking for the issues that are in the project RCV iOS app. Okay, I'll select that particular project from the drop down. If I'm looking for a particular type of issue, I'll select it, the specific type. I'm looking only for the epic and the stories, right? So I can go ahead and select those. I can select the status, certain status, or based on a particular assignee, right? So all of that option in the basic search, you have the drop downs available, so you can go ahead and quickly select the issues or select the attributes of the issue from the drop down, and the issues will be filtered automatically, right? You will see that this list is now in the left hand side matching to the issues that are listed are belonging to project RCV iOS app, are of type epic, and story, right? So you'll see that I have selected two, so only story and epics are listed in there. If I say assignee or the current user or any other specific user, the issues will be filtered accordingly. Now by default, you'll see that created within the last 30 days is selected, right? If you want to get issues that are created more than 30 days, you have to deselect this particular option, right? So I can cancel that. So any issues that are created more than 30 days will also be listed here. And now you'll see that there was nothing that was created 30 days ago, so the result is still same, but that's the crux of it. You can select more fields there. So if you go to more, I can actually go ahead and select more options in there. All right, and you'll see that particular option will be listed here, critical risk, and I have selected critical, and the filtered issues will be accordingly based on that. So this is the basic search. Now the next search is the advanced search, and advanced search is not part of the basic course that I'm doing. I've created a complete different course on JQL, which is basically a Jira query language, which is used in the advanced search. So in the right hand side, you will see at the moment basic is enabled. Advanced search is if you enable JQL, right? So whatever you have selected as the criteria within the basic search, you will see that there is a query language or something like a query language. If you are familiar with this SQL, then you will see in SQL as well, we have the key value criteria and certain keywords that we use to filter down the results. Now JQL is something on a similar note, but it's a very specific to Jira platform. So it's Jira query language, and you will see the query which says project, whatever project we selected, and then the keyword and type in epic and story, and then based on this keywords and or accordingly it creates the query, and based on this query you get the issues filtered. Now if you're using JQL, right, or the advanced search, you can start typing in the query, right? So for example, project is my Kanban project, and issue type, I hit enter in, I would say I'm looking for epic, right? So I'll say epic and then comma story. Okay, so I've created this particular Jira query language, and this is advanced search because you are writing your own query in there, and then hit search, and based on this query language or the search, you will see the issues listed here. Okay, so I don't think there are issues in there in my Kanban project, so let me change it to RCV iOS app and see if the issues are being listed. Yes, so you'll see the issues are being listed. If I'll simply say give me only epic, then it will list only epic in the list here. So this is what advanced search is all about. But advanced search is really advanced, as the name is. It has a lot of features and functionalities, and if you are a scrum master, lead, project manager, director who is looking for in-depth analysis and filters to be created out of Jira, then advanced Jira query language or advanced search is very, very helpful. So I would highly recommend that go ahead through the Jira query language series that I have posted on YouTube, and it's also available on the RCV Academy platform if you don't want to watch with the ads. So go ahead and enroll in that particular course, and you'll get a lot of insights and detailed information about Jira query language and advanced search. But as an end user, basic search and whatever searches that I have shown you are good enough to find out issues, projects, filters within Jira. So that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you. See you in the next one.